In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Storyboard with Sora New Feature. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple 3-scene sequence and submit it so Sora can bring your idea to life. Storyboard is designed to help you outline a visual narrative with clear, scene-by-scene prompts, which is perfect for planning pacing, continuity, and mood before you generate anything. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. This keeps things simple and ensures you land on the official Sora site. In the search bar, type the word Sora and press Enter. You should see the official Sora result near the top. Click the Sora website to proceed. If you land on an Explore or Homepage view, that's totally fine. We'll navigate to the right place in the next step. Once you're in Sora, look for the Storyboard option and click it. This takes you to the Workspace where each scene is typically represented as its own prompt field. Think of each field as a single beat in your story. One moment, one action, one concise description. Keeping each prompt focused helps Sora maintain visual continuity while still giving you control over the flow of the narrative. In the first scene field, Enter, a man in a dark trench coat runs across the top of a moving train under the moonlight. This prompt sets tone, character, motion, and lighting in one line. The moving train suggests speed. The moonlight hints at a cool, dramatic palette. Short, vivid phrases like these are ideal for Storyboard. In the second scene field, Enter, a mysterious figure leaps to another train car, creating sparks as boots hit metal. This continues the setting on the train and adds energy with the sparks and the leap. Notice how we keep the environment consistent while introducing a new character action. Consistency helps Sora carry visual elements from one scene to the next. In the third scene field, Enter. The two characters face each other on the roof, wind blowing dramatically as the train speeds through a canyon beneath them. This pulls the threads together. Two characters, the same roof, and an expanded backdrop. Mentioning the canyon enriches scale without changing the core location. When all three prompts look good, click Submit. Sora will process the storyboard and generate results based on your scenes. Give it a moment. Generation time can vary. Once it's done, you'll be able to preview the sequence as outlined by your prompts. And that's it. You've used Storyboard with Sora to set a clear, cinematic arc across 3 scenes, ready for refinement or further creativity whenever you're ready.